What's going on, YouTube viewers? It's your boy Kimku. We are at the Camarillo Premium Outlets. I actually hate these outlets. It's just crazy packed here all the time, and to be honest, I've really never found any great deals here. But I do it for the people. I do it for you guys. See if we can get some good deals. So, actually, I end up getting the good deals, so it's kind of for me too. But whatever. So let's go check it out. Let's go see what we can get. We got the Nike outlet out in Camarillo. Hopefully, don't get yelled at for filming. Yeah, let's see what we can find. Let's see what we can find. Start with the hash wall. We do have 30% off, so hopefully we find somewhere in the size 10s, actually 10 and a halves. Let's go to the 10s. Let's go to the 10s. There's some Protros, some Kobe Protros, the usual 139. What are these? The Jordan Grind. Actually, don't look that bad. Let's see what else. Ooh, got the. These are size 11s. The MLPS Kobe Protro, not bad. Some soldiers 10 and a half. Protros on top. Let's see. Nothing really sticks out. 270 utilities. 69. Whoa, that's a good deal. 69 bucks. Like a greenish color. Sequoia black. Weird. A really good price, though. Really good price. Look at this. Air Max 97. Retail 170. 69 bucks. Plus, it is all black. That's kind of weird. All black. Might have to look at these. 70 bucks. 70 bucks plus 30% off. I'll try those on in a few. Let's see what else. That's about the only thing I've found so far. Try the 10 and a half. Oh, nothing. I got some chlorophylls. 140 for some chlorophylls. 30% off though. Got Protro galore. Bunch of Protros. That's it. Look what I found. Air Force Max. Size 10 and a halves. Only 109. 30% off. So that's a good deal. Holy crap, I was looking at the 11s the whole time. Like, that's just dumb. Now we're at the size 10s. Let's look at the size 10s. I was at the 10 and a half and 11s. More Protro galore. So what else? Got some MLPS here at size 10. I got these in 10 and a half, 139. I got it for cheaper than that. Okay, they had nothing in the hash wall, even though 30% off. Let's check out these. Got these for 110. The features. Ooh, what's this? Oh, Spizikes. They tricked me. Spizikes, 100 bucks. 312s. Let's see. Nothing really interesting here. Oh, this is kind of a cool colorway. The next section, Big Fund. No clue what that is. Who cares? Hydro 4s. Yeah. Those are pretty sick. 40 bucks. A little steep. There's the next aisle. Some tray 5s. There's the fly traps. The 4s. Carry 4s. Carry 5s. Nothing that sticks out. Got the PG ones, Potros as a colorway. See, nothing interesting. These are pretty sick. Max Turf. These are pretty sick. These are like $70. And a bunch of different sizes. Those are pretty sick.
Smaller.
It's a 270 utility. They got the black and white ones over there too. And that's more Air Moneys and pennies. What? So Air Force utilities. Nothing much. Oh, got the Element React 55s. That's about it. These are super comfortable, but not at 75. That's just too much. We have a pretty good selection of Air Maxes here. I don't remember all the names. Air Max Plus.
I know.
That's the deluxe. $100, not bad. Got more Air Maxes, 2017s. With the 95s, 97s. These are actually pretty sick. The Zoom Fly Flynet. These are the $100. That's a pretty good deal. MSRP is like $160. These are the shoes with the. They are the shoes with the React cushioning. Super comfortable. No, some more Flynets. Zoom All Out Lows. Super underrated. $80. Super underrated. Super comfortable. Like that Air Zoom. All right, as usual, found nothing. I don't think I've ever found any really good deals. This is like one of the more popular outlets, so I don't know if they jack up the prices because they got a bunch of tourists here or whatnot. But yeah, like I said, I don't think I've ever found any good deals there. So they do have an Adidas outlet. Yeah, let's go check it out.